Looking ahead into Saturday, we now are under an enhanced risk of severe weather for Saturday all along eastern central Oklahoma, pushing out west into the Panhandle. No risk out there yet. All the storms are going to be centered along the corridors here, west along I-40 and north-south along I-35. And it is absolutely gorgeous outside if you were just to look outside, but you walk out and it is windy and it is cold for right now. So if you're out late trick-or-treating, those showers are going to stick around pretty much the entire night. 20% chance all the way through the evening hours, so be sure to bring a rain jacket with you. Bundle up those kiddos. It is going to be a cold one tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 30s right now, and they're going to stick around for after the game as well. So we are going to need to stay bundled up as you head out after the game. Right now, we're going to see it up into the Pence area, 7:04 p.m. up into Elkader around 7:33, and that storm is within this area of a tornado watch right now for our area in Kansas. It is not tornado warned, so while there is no tornado associated with this storm, there is still the possibility of it producing one as it continues to move. Coming up, storms rocked the metro and the state over the weekend. Multiple tornadoes were reported. We take you inside one of the hardest hit places and how the items damaged just can't be replaced. Tomorrow, as those storms move in, out in the Panhandle and across western Oklahoma, Woodward, Guyman, you guys are going to see that snow right along the edge here. A little bit of mix, but for the rest of Oklahoma, really just rain through tomorrow morning. We're going to see 40 in Oklahoma City, 43 out in Alva, Woodward, 34 out in Guyman, but nowhere in Oklahoma is below freezing for tonight. No hard freezes or anything for that. So it may be December, but we're still tracking severe weather across Oklahoma right now. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued by the National Weather Service, set to expire for these counties in blue by 9 p.m. tonight. We do have a line of storms that was triggered by the cold front we saw today, and that is the reason for that severe thunderstorm watch. These counties right here across southeastern Oklahoma, you guys are still seeing the effects of those storms. Right now, there's nothing severe with these storms, but there are still some pockets of heavy rain. Right just to the north of Ludlow right here, we have this one pocket of heavy rain, as well as to the north of Muse. But looking ahead into the future, as these storms continue to push east, you guys are going to see them in Waldron by 7:10, out to Cove by 7:21, and all the way out to NOLA by 7:38 p.m. So these storms will continue to move east behind that cold front, which dropped us significantly our temperatures for today. We hit a high of 76 degrees in Oklahoma City today, setting a new record for us here. But behind that cold front, we have dropped pretty significantly. Down to 60 in Oklahoma City, down to 57 out in Kingfisher. Watauga, you are at 54 right now. But that true cold air is still up here in the Panhandle. Guyman, you're sitting at 44 degrees right now. And that cold air will continue to push southward as our evening goes on and into tomorrow morning, dropping our lows from those nice 50s that we saw the past few days all the way down to the 30s, below freezing for some of us as well. 33 tonight in Oklahoma City, 30 out in Enid, 25 out in Guyman, getting really chilly for you guys out there in the Panhandle. And as you head out in the morning tomorrow, those chilly temperatures, they're going to stick around. We're hitting that low of 33 degrees for your 8 a.m. hour tomorrow as well. Wind chill of 25 degrees, though, as we are going to have those north winds 20 miles an hour. So if you're heading out the door in the morning, be sure to bundle up those kiddos as they head out to school. They're waiting for the bus. It is going to be a cold one tomorrow morning. Then as we move on into later in the day, 46 degrees by noon. Those winds do calm down a little bit, down to 10 miles an hour, but they do stick around for your afternoon hours as well as we warm up to 50 degrees by 5 p.m. Highs across the state for tomorrow, mid-50s to the lower 50s as well. 50 in Oklahoma City, 51 out in Enid, 49 up in Guyman. Like we said, that cold air has pushed its way through. Those winds are staying decently strong north, 5 to 15 miles an hour for the whole state tomorrow as well, keeping us pretty chilly. All those warm temperatures we saw, that warm start to December, it's gone out the window, and it's going to be gone for a while. Our next 3 days not going to get above 55 for us here in the metro. 50 for tomorrow, 53 for Wednesday, 47 on Thursday before a little bit of a warm-up for your weekend, 55 for Friday, and then 52 for Saturday. We have another warm-up in store as we head into the beginning of next week as well. 60 for your Sunday, and then 60 as well for Tuesday and Wednesday. But the big story here, sunny skies, not a chance of rain in your next 10 days. It is going to be a little warmer, but it is going to stay very, very dry for us here in Oklahoma. And with that dry means our elevated fire danger is going to come back along with those winds. That's going to increase fire danger, especially on those warm days, 60 degrees on Sunday with those winds out of the north. Higher temperatures, higher fire danger, but no rain in sight.